Good afternoon. Welcome back to this casual Friday edition of AMP Live.
Today's edition of AMP Live, we'd like to start with a question for our viewers. What is the largest organ of the body?
Probably my heart, because I'm just such a loving and caring person.
Probably have to be my brain. Yeah.
The biggest organ in my body would probably be my stomach because I like to eat so damn much. Matter of fact, I'm getting kind of hungry right now. Well, I'm gonna go get some food. I'll be right back.
Wow, some great answers from our viewers, but actually the largest organ in the body is technically the skin. And that leads us into our topic today, the integumentary system.
Yeah, one great thing about being here at LMU in LA is it's sunny every single day. Man, I can't do this right now. It's too sunny outside. You know what? I'll be back in like 20 minutes or something. I'm gonna go get my tan on real quick. I gotta work on this skin tone a little bit. So yeah, I'll be back in like 20 minutes.
Dude, what are you doing? You know what actually happens when we're out here tanning?
Everyone does it. Doesn't it make you look good?
Yeah. Before I explain what actually happens when you're tanning, let's go to our skin expert, Adrian.
Thanks, Alex. You know that I'm all about skincare. Let's jump right into the integumentary system. First, we should all know that there are 3 layers to the skin: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. These layers act as a barrier to the external environment, provide resistance to trauma and infection, and are involved in the synthesis of vitamin D. The epidermis is made up of stratified squamous epithelium and is an outer layer of the skin. The dermis, which is deep to the epidermis, is made up of connective tissue. Deep to the dermis is the hypodermis, which is a connective tissue layer containing subcutaneous and adipose tissue. Within your skin, there are glands that secrete waste products such as sweat and oils. There are 2 types of sweat glands: merocrine, which help cool the body, and apocrine, which contain fatty acids and release sex pheromones. Sebaceous glands, which are flask-shaped, secrete an oily substance called sebum that contains broken down cells. The last type of gland is the ceruminous gland, which is located only in the external ear canal. It secretes earwax to waterproof the ear and increase pliability. Now, on the subject of tanning, a little sun is good and is essential to vitamin D synthesis, but tanning without protection and for an extended period of time can lead to skin cancer. There are 3 types of skin cancers: basal cell, which is the most common type in fair-skinned individuals, and that is characterized by a hard, raised bump or an open, persistent sore. Squamous cell cancer is the most common in dark-skinned people, and is characterized by a rough or crusty bump. The most dangerous and rare cancer is known as melanoma. LMU students also have to watch out for burns when sitting or tanning outside. I'm sure many students have experienced first-degree burns after a long day at the beach. First-degree burns affect the hypodermis and are characterized by a painful redness color of the skin. Second-degree burns affect through the dermis, and third-degree burns involve all layers of the skin being burned, causing permanent damage. Be sure to wear sunscreen next time you're out tanning, CJ.